Hello, my name is Mike. In this video you will see short introduction of my Etoro portfolio. I will fully walk you through Etoro main feature, the main benefit of this video. I will show you my real account and how I invest my money. Compared to some other experts that are giving advices, but we don't know if they are investing their own money or not. So let's get started. On the bottom line, you can see, let's say, bottom main overview. So, for example, on my account, you can see that I invested already almost $8,000 total allocated. Available means that are the money which are available to be invested, and it's almost $14. A profit, this is also obviously the most interesting stuff for a lot of guys, is 650 and 455 right now. And total equity is basically sum of these three figures together. Another pretty important thing is so-called watch list. So I have different watch lists of my portfolios. You can see my watch list, my portfolio, my portfolio too. Then I got some watch lists of company stocks that I would like to invest in future, or I'm looking on them. And then I have ETFs. I'm not investing in ETFs at all, but let's say I'm comparing, for example, my performance to ETFs. Another important thing is, of course, obviously the portfolio. So you can see that I have almost 140 different stocks in which I invested. A lot of companies. This is, I believe, one of my biggest advantages of my portfolio is that there is a high diversification. So I'm investing in companies like Apple, Google, but also in, let's say, some Chinese one like Alibaba, Neo, what else? Baidu, and so on. And also I'm investing in some European one. So you can see, for example, here Adidas and so on. About my investing strategy, so some of the stuff I already mentioned. You can read my details about my investing strategy on my account status, but in couple of points I would describe what I do. So I'm not a trader for living. So what I do, I'm working for a national company as a manager, and this investing is, let's say, only a side job for me. So I'm investing in a period of 10, 20 or 30 years. So I'm not a trader. And I believe in proper mindset. So again, I don't trade to be rich in 1 month. I don't believe in this type of stuff. So I'm big believer in proper mindset and compounding interest as an eighth wonder of the world, as already Albert Einstein was telling this type of words. It's not my words. What I don't do, so I never short stocks, I never use leverage, and almost never sell or close position. So what I'm buying, what you can see here, my companies or my stocks that I already invested. So basically in future, I will either increase my invested amount, or maybe I will buy some new companies. And very, very rarely I will sell. What also I do, a lot of my companies are dividends aristocrats or let's say dividends companies. So again, I believe that in 10, 20 years, one of my income, passive income, will be dividends. So even right now I can see, and in some other videos I will show you how many money I already earned from dividends. It won't be some big figures right now, but in coming years, just be patient. And one more one more thing at the end. So in next video, I will show you my top 5 gainers of my portfolio and also my top 5, let's call them losers, but I would like to call them more opportunity to buy more, because right now, let's say they're in sale because they are cheap. I still believe in all of my companies in my portfolio. If you like my video, give me a like, or if you are interested how this road will continue, please subscribe. And by the way, the road is road to $1 million. See you next time. Thank you. Bye. Mike.